Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you're watching the Post Market Show. Start of the week, and it was very volatile to say the least. Mac Nifty moving up 500 points, moving down 500 points, Nifty moving up 100 points, moving down 100 points. Markets were all over the place. Thankfully, it did not go down significantly. That is a one relief. And apart from that, markets were consolidating with, I would say it was neutral. Some indices fell, some moved up. So it was very volatile, but it was at least Nifty did not break the key level of 19,500. So that was defended for one more day, and let's see how the other things have performed. Talking about Nifty, it ended absolutely flat, 0.0%, as you can see. Markets making multiple moves since the starting. Markets broke 19,654 19,650 levels, came down slightly around 600, moved back up close to 731, which was an important resistance. Tested it for multiple times, again fell down from there. Again, it recovered, ending around 19,674, almost flat on a close-to-close basis, as you can see. Talking about Back Nifty ended in the positive. That is something good. A 0.35% up Back Nifty. And similarly, the volatility was through the roof, as you can see. Markets being very jittery, first opening flat, then moving down, then moving up significantly, breaking 44,750 levels, and then again coming down below around 44,500 levels, again moving up. It was all over the place. Thankfully, it did end positive. Mid caps, small caps also ended positive, so that is another relief. 0.66% up mid cap, small caps just about flat, 0.09% in the green. Sectors, again, it is a mixed bag. As you can see, some sectors moved up, some moved down, but overall none of the sectors moved extremely quite significantly up or quite significantly down. Talking about negative sectors, we have IT falling by 0.78%, mostly because of Infosys, which fell heavily. Apart from that, pharma index is down 0.3%, media down 0.7%, metals down 0.11%. And even if you talk about sectors which moved up, it was reality moving up the most by 1.5%, but it doesn't have that much weightage. Apart from that, talking about sectors, the financial sectors, very important. PSU banks moved up slightly, 1.16%. Private banks and Nifty Finance or Fin Nifty moved up significantly on a close-to-close basis, and both of them up by 0.5%, and rest markets did not move. Bajaj Finance moved up by 4.66%, earning the top mover spot in Nifty 50, followed by ICICI Bank 0.64% up, Kotak Bank 1.5% up, Asian Paints, Bajaj, FinServ. So these are the stocks which moved up. Infosys, interestingly, has fallen the most, or 1.47% down, followed by Reliance, TCS, L&T, M&M. So IT sectors are the one which got affected today, as you can see. FIIs continue to sell. There is no other option for them, it seems. Again, selling for 2,333 crores today, but DII is buying today again about 1,579 crores, but it was not enough to match the selling figures of the FIIs. There's no economic news, important economic data announced today, so let's skip that and move to the US markets. US markets right now are trading in the green, so it moved with a gap down, opened with a gap down. Now it is moving up 0.26% in the green, and the Dow Jones, same thing happened. Right now it's positive, so it is recovering from its lows, and Nasdaq also same thing happening, 0.3% up right now. Talking about global markets, we can see that the European markets were negative today, 0.3% down. UK markets, French and German markets both are down by close to 1%, and even the Asian markets were weak. Only Japanese market moved up by 0.85%. Just everything was weak. Hong Kong falling the most by 1.8%, followed by Chinese market falling by close to 1%, and 0.5% down is the Korean market. So overall, the Asian markets, European markets were negative. US markets are recovering just right now. Interestingly, VIX on a close-to-close basis just moved up by 2%. It's a 10.9, but the actual volatility was way higher than this. So that is there. Crude oil prices remain at the same level for multiple days, around 89, 90 levels. Nothing has changed so far. Metal prices are also, some are up, some are down, nothing significant. Gold prices are also at 1917 levels, not moving anywhere for the past few days. Sugar prices fell by 2.3% in the global markets. And coming to currency, dollar index is moving higher. Now this is not a good sign, and 105.9 very, very close to 106 is the dollar index right now. So that is going to be trouble for the the equity markets with dollar index moving up. That is not a good sign. Indian rupee depreciated against the dollar by 0.17%, but against euro and pound it gained strength. As you can see, euro, it's almost 88, it's about to break 88. That is good. And pound is down to 101.5, looking good over there. Talking about tomorrow, it's Tuesday, Fin Nifty expiry. What to expect? The Fin Nifty expiry put call ratio is at 0.85, indicating mild bearishness, and highest call is at 20,000, highest put is at 19,600 and 19,800 levels. That is Fin Nifty. Let's look at the levels for Fin Nifty for tomorrow's expiry. Now Fin Nifty is, as you can see, on a close to close basis, it did end positive, but this looks like a good support right now. 19,720, yeah, that is a good support, but even better support is at 19,632 and above 19,951. So that is the resistance and this is support. Immediate supports and resistances, and below that 19,500 is a good support, and above 19,950 we have 20,067 levels is looking like a good resistance for Fin Nifty. Now coming to our Nifty and Bank Nifty levels and open interest. Bank Nifty OI is 0.8 right now, and it is also slightly bearish. Highest call at 45,000 and highest put at 44,500 levels. So that is the situation, and a lot of puts have added into the system today after the recovery in the last and in the second half of the market. Also, Bank Nifty ending more positive than Nifty, so that added a lot of puts. But Nifty has added, I would say, some amount of calls at 19,700 and 650, but also puts were added at 19,600 and 500 levels. Back Nifty also at 0.8 put call ratio, slightly bearish as usual. It is the situation right now. Talking about Nifty, we know 19,566 and 19,523. These are the important supports to watch out for. If below 19,500, Bank Nifty is completely bearish, and 19,447 is the next support if 19,500 is broken on the downside. Up above 19,720 to 30 level is going to act as a major resistance, then 19,818, 19,870. These are the levels to watch out for. Now expecting again a volatile day tomorrow as well, because markets are trading in a range below 19,600 levels. Up above we have 19,800 levels. So in between this 200 points, markets are pretty volatile, as you can see from last Friday. That is the range. In fact, much before that, last Thursday, in fact, this has been the range for the markets, and it has been going and touching both the upside and the downside, and has been very, very volatile in the last last 3 days. Coming to Bank Nifty, what to expect? Bank Nifty, we have 45,075. That is the level to watch out for on the upside. Closing above that will indicate at least the bearishness will not be there in Bank Nifty. And down below we have a good support now created at 44,400 levels, and we see it's like a good recovery, and also market has made a higher low and a higher high, so that maybe this is the trend reversal. We have to wait and watch. So wait for a 45,075 above closing to become bullish in Bank Nifty. Otherwise, again, same thing like Nifty, it will be bouncing back and forth between these levels. We have supports at 44,500, 44,150 and 43,740 levels, and upside we in the middle is 44,070, 750, up above 45,75, 45,380, 45,650. These are the levels on the upside to watch out for Bank Nifty. So this is the monthly expiry coming, this is the monthly expiry week, and markets are likely to remain very, very volatile on the monthly expiries, and that is exactly the case right now. So I do expect volatility tomorrow. We have expiries every day. Tomorrow is Nifty expiry, then Bank Nifty, then Nifty expiry. All of them are monthly expiries. So do keep your risk appetite in check, and trade, because after the monthly expiry is over, maybe the markets can calm down and maybe get a clear direction. Otherwise, these 3 days are going to be very, very jittery. That is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.